A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. G for giraffe. H for house. I for ice cream. J for jellyfish. K for kite. L for lion. M for monkey. N for nest. O for orange. P for pineapple. Q for queen. R for rainbow. S for sun. T for tree. U for umbrella. V for van. W for whale. X for xylophone. Y for yak. Z for zebra. Great job! You learned the alphabet from A to Z. See you in the next fun learning video.